All right, y'all, today we are back out in Midlothian, Texas in a neighborhood that we've covered before called Shady Valley Estates. And today we're gonna be taking a look at this big Carolina floor plan here that's got a lot of space, a lot of room to spread out, and then it's also got this 3-car garage here. So I'm excited to show it to you. Let's go ahead and get after it now. All right, y'all, so I hope you have enjoyed the tour of this Carolina floor plan by First Texas Homes here in the Shady Valley Estates neighborhood here in Midlothian, Texas. As promised, it is a nice big home with a lot of room to spread out. So we're just over 2,700 square foot, 2,724 square foot. It's 5 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and a 3-car garage as well. And then you've got a flex space up front. Right now, it's more of like a formal dining space, but if you wanted to put some double doors on it after the fact, then you could, transform that into your office space. So this home really, it's got a beautiful open area. I love this big wraparound spiral staircase, and I think they were brilliant with the space that they utilized underneath the staircase there, transforming that instead of just a half bath. They even carved out a stand-up shower there to make that a full bath, and then also got additional storage space underneath the staircase there as well. One thing that I am seeing here is this. It's technically the 5th bedroom that's downstairs here. It's good, and it's a little bit small in my opinion. It's just a little bit small here, and then the closet space is a little bit small. It could work out though if you just had it for guests or whoever it may be. One other really cool thing is that with this 3-car garage, you've got access through a secondary door to the backyard space as well. Also notice that they do have a tankless hot water heater for the whole home as well, which is nice. You've got gas utilities here in the neighborhood, so you've got a beautiful gas range right here, double ovens, and then I really like the way that they set this pantry off to be in the back here. Then you got a nice little spot for a coffee bar or whatever kind of tucked away back here as well, right off of that formal dining space or office space, whatever you transitioned it into. So really nice slider door here on the back with a big covered porch and a good sized backyard as well. So the upstairs, you've got 3 additional bedrooms and a nice big open area space as well there for a second living room area, a second living space to hang out up on the 2nd floor. That let's say 3rd bedroom upstairs, it's already wired up for basically a media room, and it's got a full bathroom right attached to it. You can close the door off and you've got a whole kind of ensuite bath and everything, and a big closet in there as well. So that offers a lot of flexibility upstairs. And then you've got 2 other bedrooms up front there that share an additional bathroom. So like I said, this is a really good size home, and it's coming in just over $572,000 right now. The Carolina floor plan, 2-floor option here in Midlothian, Texas. So I hope you all enjoyed this one. If you did, definitely give it a like and subscribe to my channel. I'm covering more and more inventory in and around the Ellis County area each and every week here. So if you're looking to make a move to the area or in and around DFW, definitely reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you make a successful move to the area. And like I said, I hope you all enjoyed it, and I'll see you all next week.